Show you. Doo-doo! I feel like it looks so pretty. Vancouver, and I was like, oh my gosh, they have a week off. So we've just been doing things every day. I mean, like, are you serious? Look at this. This was made for me. Live on Sunday, which I'm so excited about. I'll try, vintage has been my style right now. I'm really obsessing over it. To get it, we're doing like light pink and white. I'm on the weekends though, but this just so cute. I am super excited for this portion of today's vlog. I've been dying to open this. It's been sitting here since I got back from Vancouver, just waiting for me to open it, and it's been sealed. But I'm excited because I am working with Fab Fit Fun in today's vlog, and you guys might have heard of them before. I've worked with them previously as beauty, fashion, fitness, and wellness products. And again, it's things that I typically would use on a daily basis. I know that from the last box that I got with them, which was the JLo one, and I raved about everything that I got in that box. I got workout gear as well that I use all the time in our gym, and everything is just well curated and things that you definitely would use again on a daily. So I'm really excited to open it up with you guys. So it says spring 2024. Again, these are seasonal boxes. There we go. So in the comments down below, what is your favorite season? I would love to know. I'm definitely, you know what's funny? I love spring colors. Spring definitely is my favorite for colors. But I also am a fall girl. You guys know that too. I love fall. My birthday's in fall. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Ooh, okay, first thing, obviously, that's catching my eye. You already know, pink. So this right here is the Swell Original bottle. Let's unbox it. Nice. That's so funny. I actually needed a new water bottle right here. It's such a pretty color pink as well. And we have Aloe Glow. This is the Magnesium Reset Spray. I actually have this right now in my skincare routine, and it is amazing. I spray it in the morning and it just refreshes your skin. I use it before I put my makeup on, and it's so hydrating, nourishing, and I've just been obsessed. I actually wanted to get a new bottle. So this here is actually one of my absolute favorite sprays. It's a mist, and it's a reset spray, and it's for body and mind, and it's very soothing, and I use this every single day, every morning, and I love the bottle as well. You guys know I'm a junkie for just like really nice packaging. It's a really nice bottle, and it's also clean beauty as well. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this because again, I already have it, and it's a really, really nice spray. And then what's the next thing here? So I got a shampoo. This was the NewCo Hair. It says hair growth, density, and shampoo. So that's also really nice for me. I obviously know my hair condition, and I really, really like hair growth products with my alopecia. So that is a must for me. I want to smell it. It's just so fun trying out new brands and new products. Ooh, it smells like minty. I like that. And I like the fact it comes in a pump too. It's just really easy to use, put in the shower. In Botanics Muscle Pain Reliever Recovery Gel. So this is really nice. I have been working out more frequently. Anything pain relieving is quite nice. I actually have, because I feel like such a grandma now, but I have like a leg machine downstairs where our couch is, and then also one for my shoulders. I don't really show it, but again, it's just things in the mom world that I'm using. So this will definitely be really nice. And again, these are the types of products I have right next to my bedside. I actually got something in my FabFitFun last time, and it's a roller ball. I use it every single night and it relaxes me. It has chamomile in it and it's just one of the best rollers I've ever used. And the scent, it just makes you sleepy and relaxed. The other thing I got from the box that I used before with FabFitFun was the JLo one I did with them. So if you guys remember, I got that cashmere blanket. It has been on our couch since I got it as a throw, like a decorative throw, and I love it. It's the softest blanket. So almost everything that I've gotten from them I have used up, and I just love again how diverse they are. They have so many different things for, again, lifestyle, fitness, and beauty, like a little bit of everything, which I really like about their boxes. Okay, like what? I see pink. I'm so excited. Okay, let me open this. I mean, like, are you serious? Look at this. This was made for me. You guys already know I'm like obsessed with this. This looks like it's gonna go in my kitchen. It says 1 salad bowl, 1 mini canister, 1 removable tray. So let's open it together for like maybe sauce. We have a little tray right here. Ooh. So you guys, if you didn't know, now you know, I'm a salad girl. I make salads every day for lunch and dinner, and I've always been a salad person. So you will be seeing this in one of my next videos, that's for sure. And if you don't follow me, I do reels all the time in my kitchen of just, you know, new pink things that I usually buy. I'm really into pink and gold, so I have lots of that going on in my kitchen. But yeah, I can't wait to use this. This is amazing. So that's, again, the same company as the water bottle. Same color too. That's really nice. And again, I'm assuming they're doing this pink because it's such a spring pink. It's my favorite color pink. That, oh, this color, it obviously matches my my robe. But yeah, this is really neat. I'm so excited. Oh, and now that I'm seeing this, I got the conditioner to this as well, which is perfect. So I'm going to try these out today with hair growth and hair density. So I will definitely review that for you. I'm in here. So this right here, we have a Nude Stick Hydra Peptide Lip Butter Shea and Avocado. I actually haven't tried Nude Skin before. Let me just... Ooh, ooh, that smells really nice. It's very like minty. And glossy and soothing. I like this. And you guys know I'm a huge lip hoarder. I love keeping these in my purse. I have like 3 next to my bedside table, and I definitely am a huge lippy girl, so I'm excited for that. We are in my bedroom right now, but I just wanted to show you. See, this is what I was talking about. So I got this in my last FabFitFun. I've had this on my bedside for a while, and I just use it every night. It makes me so calm and relaxed. Again, just something I never bought, but I would buy, and I'm going to repurchase, and I'm glad you're just obviously introduced to new products that you've never tried and that you fall in love with. Also have 2 codes down in the description for you guys, so you guys can get 20% off your first box just using my code SLMISSGLAM, and you guys will get up to $350 worth of product, and that is as low as $47.99. So it's a pretty insane deal how much you're actually getting and the worth and the value. The second one is a $200 gift using SLMISSGLAMGIFT. I'm not gonna lie to you, this box is definitely, I feel like, was curated for me because, I mean, look at all the pink. I am really loving that. It opens you up to new brands you haven't tried before, and it just gets you excited. So, and I like the fact they're seasonal. I mean, new seasons, you just get excited to try new things. And again, I have always been really satisfied with all the products that have come in their boxes. They do a really good job at curating things for everybody. And I really love the fact that they have wellness and beauty. I think that's a definite must. It's just a box for everyone, and I really, really like that about them. So definitely check them out. I will leave the links down below. And again, huge thank you to FabFitFun. I absolutely love working with them, and I love their boxes. And definitely going to use this salad bowl today. Boom, boom, boom. See, this is where I have my aloe. I love, love, love this. It is such a nice spray. This is my second bottle of it actually, and I love it. It does take a while to go through, but again, perfect. You can put it on morning and night. It's just a really nice resetting spray, hydrating, nourishing, and it smells really good. Also, you guys, this tray is brand new. I had it in my last decor video that I did redoing my entire master bathroom, but I thought it'd be nice on my vanity, and it's such a nice like rectangular tray. Some of them are round, but I really liked this. So this is gold and white. I will link it down below. It's the pink one, which I almost forgot to show you guys. It definitely is a more springy pink, but super pretty as well. It's very bright, but I love these. I've been so obsessed. They can go all over your house. And then these organizers I just got off Amazon, and I've been really obsessed with them. You guys can use them for like underneath storage in your bathroom or for the kids. Like there's so many things that you can use to store products, and I love the gold. I've been really addicted. As you guys know, I have these organizers for my makeup and skincare, which I'll show you guys in a second, but you could see that's what I was using for my skincare, and then I'm just going to use this one for something else. And then over here, you guys have seen these larger ones. I haven't started using them yet, but you can obviously use them to store clothes or store anything. They can actually go in the pantry too. That's where I was thinking of putting them. And then my two-piece, you guys have seen this, my two-piece vacuum set. I love this. I've been using it so much. Yeah. Like addicted to this. And then you guys also have the vacuum piece to it too, so it turns into a full vacuum. I love it. It's just a must-have, and it's actually powerful. And then something else I wanted to do this week is redecorate my perfumes. I am going to be ordering some soon, and I wanted to do like a little decorating thing. I don't know. I just don't really like this area right now, and I want to redo it. Spring is the time when I get into like my spring florals. But yeah, I'm just really, really excited. I kind of want to do some spring decorating soon. I already know I'm going to get asked questions on this chair. It's sold out right now on Wayfair. It's actually been in our guest bedroom, and I recently put it in here because it made more sense for just when I'm filming and stuff, and then also just to have something to put like my clothes on. I bought something today. I'm not sure if I'm going to include it in today's vlog, but I'm going to try because I'm going to do a reel of it. But I bought a stand, which I'll show you. I'll do an unboxing, but it's so pretty. So I think I'm going to put it somewhere over here. And then the ottoman is from Wayfair. I will link it down below. It's such a gorgeous ottoman. I love everything tuft, obviously, and then I love the gold rim at the bottom. And then the other day, I did some reorganizing of my makeup drawer, so I will show you. I feel like it looks so pretty. So again, these are the organizers that I was just showing you. We have the larger ones and then the smaller ones right here. So you guys can definitely get both. I will link them all for you. And if you're not following me on my Like to Know It page, I leave all my links there. So if you guys want to follow me there, I'll leave a link down below where you can just like shop my videos essentially and my photos. We've got lots of hair clips. Again, I told you I'm a lip junkie. That's why I love new lip products and brushes. I've got foundations and lip glosses in here, some perfume, my brushes, hair bands. There we go. I couldn't remember the name of that. And then I also have my tripod right here, which I have a pink one. I'm always using my black one. But again, this one's so pretty. I like to travel with it. I also put this here, which is just my vase and my pampas grass that I got on Amazon. So I don't know if I'm going to relocate this. I'm just a little worried because the girls love to use my back mirror. So they've been like going on my chair trying to like look at themselves in the mirror. So I think I need to rearrange the situation a little bit. But I love it because it's a pop of color. I was going to put it maybe on my window. I don't know. I'll have to find space for it. But I definitely find that I'm in here filming the most. And that's kind of why I like to have it decorated nicely, but also makes sense for when the girls come in here. I've been getting a lot of questions too if my lips, like if I get my lips done and I don't. I have always, if you guys have seen all my videos, I've always had really big lips. My mom, my brother, my whole family have really big lips. So again, yeah, no fillers. I've never gotten fillers before. This I picked up from HomeSense, this little tray. It's just like a little cute vintage looking tray, which vintage has been my style right now. I'm really obsessing over it, but I want to find something a little bit, it'd be nice to find something really big for this vanity, but again, it's been kind of impossible. And then I obviously have this pearl headband that I just bought, and then This is back makeup that I just have not organized yet, so I hide it. Since I last filmed, I had this arrive on Sunday, which I'm so excited about. I've been wanting a spinner for my perfumes for a while now, and of course you guys know this is the same organizer that I have with my makeup drawer. So it's all the gold handles, which I really like. They're just so aesthetic and really easy to use. I actually put a bunch in our pantry as well, but I'm obsessed, and I got 2 of these, one for downstairs. Also really good for vitamins too, if you want to do one in your pantry. And I had this come in the mail, which is really neat, gold mist. So put that in here with all of my fragrances. So yeah, I really love it. It's easy to grab, they're easy to see, and definitely nicer than the other organizer that I had before. Also have an obsession with dried arrangements right now, so I contacted a company here in Calgary and I can't wait to get it. We're doing like light pink and white. I mean, I really loved these for the event, but I definitely would have done for my closet maybe lighter tones, but really pretty. Like, I just love how long they last. And you guys know my Venus de Fleur. This has lasted years. I definitely want to get another one, but they're so pricey. I mean, very, very pretty. And I mean, these ones are definitely my favorite. I wouldn't mind getting another one, but I will stick with some dried florals for now. And then I forgot to show you guys, I got this tray also. It came in the mail on, I think it was Saturday or Sunday. It's nice how Amazon comes on the weekends though, but this, just so cute. I did a little unboxing on Instagram, but I will link it down below for you guys. I'll have all my links plus my like to know it page. Then you guys can always refer to all my links there. In Pacifica, I got this vegan collagen plumping mask. So just a lot of my decor and my new beauty products that I've been really enjoying. The gold tray as well, I will link. Anyways, I am going to leave the vlog here. It was so nice to finally wake up this morning and just be able to like vlog and video with you guys again. I haven't done it in a while. And I definitely missed out on it. I want to start getting back into daily vlogs, and I know I keep saying that, but again, every time I think life is not busy, it gets busy. Like this week, the girls had the entire week off. Just crazy, and it's not even spring break yet, but I didn't even know that. So I got back from Vancouver and I was like, oh my gosh, they have a week off. So we've just been doing things every day, and it's just gotten a little obviously hectic and crazy with my filming schedule. But again, I would love to know what you guys want to see next from me. I was thinking about doing that shopping vlog. And thank you guys if you did order the Liz Heart collection. I truly appreciate it so much. Love the support from you, and again, just so thankful. Huge thank you to Fab Fit Fun, you guys, for sponsoring today's video. I again love their seasonal boxes, and I have both my codes if you guys want to use them down below. 20% off is SLMISSGLAM, and then SLMISSGLAMGIFT for a $200 gift included. So I did want to say that, and it is a sweet deal. And again, it's so nice seasonally because you're getting into like new things, and I think, yeah, I definitely think it's a must. Their boxes are absolutely amazing and definitely curated for everybody. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys have not yet subscribed, subscribe now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Asking for help, but nothing seems to work for you. Yeah.